Bitcoin blasted past $30,000. Question everything, trust nothing. Welcome to Trading Wars.
It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Crusader was going to try to steal my shine right there, bruh.
Your shine is my day, baby. It's my day. Team Crusader is coming here for the win once again, closing it out all in the green.
I don't know. I saw CVO's P&L, and I believe that was not in the green. Just want to throw that out there.
Let me tell you, that didn't happen on Monday. That happened on Thursday or whatever it was that he was doing.
Must be a common
Monday
theme for Thursday. Must have been a rough day. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a theme for your party.
Well, listen, your team is here. Just want to real quick shout out our sponsors. Hey, we've got Market Cypher in the house, Crypto Face backstage. Hey, we're going to be shaking some things up today. We got 2 teams on today. Well, part of my team, all of your team. So it's going to be exciting. So shout out to Market Cypher, 20% off if you use our code. Make sure to check that out. Thank you very much to our main sponsor, which is ZoomX, who has allowed this show to happen. And then Houdini Swap, guys. We are just continuing to validate our commitment to privacy. I mean, that's where it's important. At. Yeah, for sure. So make sure to check out all the links below. Houdini Swaps are going to be giving some tokens away. We got a lot of fun stuff happening, but let me not talk anymore. Crusader, listen, you bring up your guys. Bro, I'll bring up my guys.
I'm bringing up my champs right now. We got CVO, first time on the show of Trading Wars. We missed you on Monday, but we got you in, bro. What's going on?
Doing well, man. Good to be here.
Awesome, dude. We got the savage Evan Aldo going in with 2 trades last time. We'll see what he's got today. What's going on, man?
Doing well. Really excited. Just enjoying the volatility right now.
Awesome, dude. We got Jayson Casper in the house, chugging that water, staying hydrated, ready for this crazy tournament happening.
Bro, I'm stoked. I'm ready. 100x, baby.
Let's go. And we got Gareth Soloway in the house. What's up, man? How you doing?
What's good, man? How are you?
Good, man. Excited to have you here. In Magic Internet Money, last but not least on Team Crusader, the champs have arrived. Who you got? What champs you got back there?
The champs have arrived. However, the opposing team wants to kind of shake things up. We got your boy Crypto Crow in the house. Crow, good to see you, brother. Is this your AI or is this you? Is this your Eternal or no?
Hi, everybody. I am the Crypto Crow. No, this is me. This is
okay. It is you for real. And then we have got, green last week, going to be green this week. As always, your boy Crypto Face. Face, what's up, brother?
Yes, sir. What's happening, bro?
We got 9 people up in here, Crusader.
Dude, it's going to be a choppy one for sure today with all these cameras flying left, flying
Jeopardy,
right.
And it's the family. Adams family in this bitch.
The Adams family.
Or whatever that's the Brady Bunch. That's
yes.
Brady Bunch.
There it is. There it is. Hey, Crypto fam, if you haven't already, make sure to smash the like, follow all of the creators that you see on the show today. We're super excited about the show. We're going to have some fun today. Just real quick, briefly go over the rules. You guys can trade against the traders 24/7. You can use any market cap, any asset you want to, any type of leverage. Obviously, use some risk management there. We don't want anybody risking their homes or anything. The traders can trade during the 1 hour time frame. We are talking about kind of in the background, letting the traders do some extra trading on their own. Caveat, please, gentlemen, if you do that, don't blow up the account because we need you to be able to trade live. But yeah, we want to have fun. $2 billion market cap. If you guys want somebody to do an analysis, throw out a super chat. We'll see if we can't get to that as well today. Crusader, did I miss anything?
No, that's it. I mean, that's pretty much it. The audience is free to trade anything they want all day long. If the professional traders here actually do trade outside the show, don't worry, that P&L is not going to be part of the competition. Yeah. So you guys don't have to worry about that affecting you guys in your competition.
And then also, we haven't quite hit the threshold of 100 people signing up and doing their deposits. So if you want to get 20% on whatever your deposit is, if it's at least $100, they're going to give you 20%. We had somebody sign up with a nice fat number and took advantage of that. We've had a number of people doing that. So make sure to take advantage of that with the code down below. listen, the percentages are not crazy because we're forcing these traders to trade within a certain amount of time under circumstances that are other than generally, advisable, I will say. So make sure that you guys jump in there, have some fun. You can still win this thing. I mean, we got a lot of time left.
This price volatility today has been wild, especially over the weekend. I think we should let the traders go ahead and embrace this volatility today and not let it go to waste. I don't know. What are your thoughts? I know your team isn't doing as well. They definitely need the help. So I would say it would work out in your favor.
Well, we're going to have some fun today. Face has got strategy going on in the background. You're not even ready for that. And then your boy Crypto Crow, word on the street is he's got a low indicator that he's kind of irritated he didn't get to pop off a couple trades earlier because his P&L would be
stupid.
I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help you guys. I think we should start trading already instead of waiting until 3 o'clock. We don't want this volatility to disappear. I mean, we had a massive move to the downside.
Man, we missed both of the trades already.
Yeah, we missed it so long.
I was going to say there was a good one there
for the next hour.
We got about 5 minutes. Let me just jump into the chat real quick and say hi, and then we will. You can go over some strategies. First in the house that I see is Arc Signal. Arc Signal, glad that you're here. We got Mylon Supply, Green Day Profits, Caffeinated Crypto. We have got a ton of people in here. Everybody, thank you. You could be hanging out anywhere, but you're hanging out with Debate Crypto for Trading Wars. Make sure that you guys sign up, have some fun, toss a few dollars in there, see if you can't beat the pros. Crusader, I'll give it back to you. Don't want to waste into your strategy session here.
Are we going to do the strategy session, or are we going to let these guys trade?
Well, we got 5 minutes. I mean, you got 5 minutes.
Let them trade. Let them trade 5 minutes.
You going to let them trade early?
5 minutes early.
Give us free.
Let's go. Okay. Let them be free.
Free, fly, be free, ladies and gentlemen. Do your thing.
Do your thing, guys.
Right, it's official. It's official. We're allowed to go.
Yes, get it.
Yes,
go for it.
Go get it.
Oh man!
And if you are jumping into a trade, do us a favor. Let us know that you're jumping into a trade so that we can kind of
What if I don't want the others to know what I'm doing?
Well, then talk about it afterwards. After you already executed, then
probably the wrong show.
I'm going to give a trade a shot here. It's a little bit of a FOMO trade. We're not going to do anything too crazy here, but we're going to do about. I want to do about a $10,000, or no, I'm going to do $5,000 into ETH right now, marketing in. Now, this could be a bad idea. It's a little late. I wanted to enter this much earlier. But what I am seeing on the charts here that I'll show you is basically what we're looking at is potentially a jump up. What I like here is the trigger wave on the 3 minute. And I like how that was just a fierce jump off of this area right here. And if we zoom out a little bit, you kind of see potentially a cup and handle type thing forming. And you could also, if we draw a fib level here, we could see, let's go up a little bit there, see that kind of jump off of that level. Now we're kind of, hopefully we could break above this level and go higher. And in this kind of circumstance, when I look at my 10 minute, green dot on my 10 minute, my VWAP coming up on my 10 minute, looking at my 6 minute, same type of deal, I think most likely we could see some extension here. And I think this is a pretty good trade that should play out pretty well over the next hour. I would probably be looking to get up to maybe 1705, hopefully, and a place to potentially close this out would be on the next kind of 3 minute, bear div potentially. Hopefully this comes up and we could see this maybe in about 20 minutes here. So that would be nice.
There we have it. Evan the Savage, first one in already on the trade.
He was the first one in on the first day too.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Evan is a secret.
Well, it could be a loser. Don't just nobody's right all the time, but
I'm always right sometimes.
Yeah, 60% of the time, every time, baby.
Yeah, bro. I'm going for it. I'm also on a long for Ethereum. I've been in a long for a few days now, so I'm for it, bro. Let's hit that 1705.
And my conditional limit order did not execute, so I tried to get into a trade.
Short at this point.
Looking for a short, Crow. What are you looking for a short on?
Bitcoin.
On Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah,
because I think we kind of peaked out a little bit, and I think we're going to start going backwards. And I'm looking for a short down to like 30,500.
Okay.
I don't know if it's happening or not, but that's just kind of what I'm looking at. And I'm waiting because right now all my indicators are basically I got a buy trigger, but I think it's a bad buy trigger because we're above the 200 EMA and the MACD is red. So I think that's a fake out. And I think I'm just waiting for this volume to kind of work its way down.
Okay. Hey, real quick, if we could, CryptoFace, you're super familiar with the platform. A couple of the guys were trying to figure out just how to keep, obviously minimize on all entering and exiting their trades. Obviously, there's fees on every platform. Can you go over real quick with the guys what's going to minimize that for them?
Yeah, sure. So the main thing you're going to want to do is make sure, first off, limit order in, and then you want to make sure you have the box post only checked. That will guarantee that you're going to be a maker and not a taker. So if it rejects your order, that just means that the order book like flashed down. You didn't get it on the side as a maker, and so you'll have to retry. So make sure you have post only checked. And yeah, so I know for me, I'm pretty much like pre-planning, pre-limiting my exits. Yeah, post only, limit. That's pretty much all you need to do.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that, guy, for that information. Let's start going around the table here. And,
I was going to say I jumped in a little trade here.
Let's go. Bring it up,
Gareth.
Just shorted chain link at 1033. Little trend line resistance area up here.
That's a good one. That one's been ripping.
Yeah,
last couple of days.
Ripping, but a little bit of a retrace here. So just giving it a little shot.
So what was your position size on it? What leverage you use?
I used 10x, and I did I think I did 400 and some odd chain link. So about I think 5K ish. Is it?
Nice. Okay.
Perfect.
Gareth, you like Chainlink. Is that a position that you're long in or short in as part of your just regular trading as part of your investment portfolio, or no?
I do have a short out on it. Yeah, in my portfolio. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's more of a swing trade versus this is just more just trading it.
Okay. Cool. What's everybody else got cracking off?
Yeah, let's start going around the table. Let's see what people are looking at.
I got a trade in.
Face, what you got?
Perfect. Bring up that screen.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna guess he already executed it because he's it's my team and he's a savage. Doesn't want to give away.
I had to make sure I executed it quick.
That's right. So you guys don't be copy trading my team because we know how that goes.
I'm going long. I'm kind of ham hocking a little bit in the beginning here because whatever. 10x. I'm 10x right now. It's 7,750 in Solano going long. I'm looking to exit at like 31.1. See if I can pick up a little 5%er.
Okay.
What was the size of that position?
7. Right now it's 7,750 in, and I think I have a limit entry into. I'm probably gonna get rid of that limit entry, and yeah, let it go. I'm up $37 so far.
That's what we're talking about.
No one else is allowed to do Solano.
Hey, I want to throw this out there. This is probably right here where the whole chat needs to be on Team Keeper. I just want to shout out to Kate there, the Team Keeper. Just throwing it out there. We all need to be Team Keeper.
By the way, I do want to say that Crusaders team totally kicked butt last week, man. I watched all you guys, and I'm proud of you guys. You guys did good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dude. Bitcoin is ripping right now.
I just hit first take
Hey,
profit
I'm
on
Bitcoin. Oh my god!
Just
Holy
took the
smokes.
profits.
By the way, I have to float my own boat. I am ham hawked, fatty position in Bitcoin, murdering it right now.
Murdering it. How big is the position, Face?
This one's got a 3 milli.
You're doing you're in a $3 million long.
Ooh.
Sir, we're up 224,000 on this one. So we're doing
Wow.
pretty good. Yeah, man.
About up another
Past 2 months-
Ferrari. You go buy
Past
another
2 months
Ferrari.
have been awesome, dude. It's been an easy entry at the bottom. I've chopped it up into like 3 different trades, and it's been a great 2 months.
Dude,
Damn.
crazy.
I've been-
I'm tooting my own horn.
Yeah,
Tooting my own horn.
I've been following and listening in the mornings, and man, you have figured out the special sauce, Face. That's for damn sure. I think a lot of people know that. That's why everybody was saying. I saw a lot of chats, Crusader, that were saying, there's Crypto Face and there's everybody else. So everybody else in here, I just want to throw that out there.
That's not true.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Well, there is me, and there is everybody else here as well. There's a lot of people here, and they're all pretty good at what they do. Yes.
I think Crypto Face is the perfect example of how it takes being a little bit crazy to do this effectively with large amounts of money without losing your mind even more.
yeah.
He's a G.
in the best way.
I always love when the pencil necks jump into his chat and say he's using a fake account, or he's using what do they tell you, Face, that you're using fake money or whatever?
Yeah. Well, there are people who do that out there. That is the real thing.
For sure.
The whole fake account thing is totally real. But it ain't me. That ain't me, baby. Ain't anyone else here, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. We are using real money, ladies and gentlemen. Who else is in a trade? Anybody checking anything out? CBO, I see you getting ready to chat. What you got, bro?
Yeah, I'm about to get in one here, potentially. I just shared my screen. So I got Avalanche here. Previous week range, kind of dancing around the previous week high at the moment, very locally. Got a little gold pocket here, and then the developing day value area highs coming in right at this region as well. So kind of paying attention here. Bitcoin's kind of coming into a major target up here. So if we get a rejection there, as we come into this is an area I'm probably going to look to short, at least back down to the VWAP, the previous week high right here. And then we'll look to see if we lose that previous week high and come back into this region. There's a lot of stuff below us here for that. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment.
Nice, dude. That's savage trade. I mean, did you say something earlier about?
Oh yeah. So I hit first take profit. If you guys want to see my screen,
I was gonna say, didn't you get like $20 already in there?
Yeah. So I'm up. I took $11, and then I'm just gonna try to wait a little bit more. What I'm gonna probably close this out on, hopefully, is the once we get this 2-minute bear div, I think I would just close out the whole thing whenever that may happen, or if we get up to 1723, which would be pretty crazy if we pump up that much during the stream.
1723.
So I'm up about almost 7%, about 7% here. So not a bad thing. And if I close this out, that's a nice $20. So not bad at all.
I'm not gay, but a 20 is a 20, right, Evan? Isn't that your say?
20 is a 20.
A 20 is a 20, ladies and gentlemen. What? Let's see.
Jayson, you looking at? Is there anything you're looking at?
My bad.
Yeah, I think I'm going to short 31,470.
Gonna short it? You're gonna short the daily?
I mean, look at the cannons he's carrying. No shirts there. No shirts needed there.
I'm looking at the same thing. That's your quarter too high as well.
I'm just going to go for it, Like, what the heck, man? What do I have to lose besides $1,000 in this whole entire show? It's looking
Your entire reputation is on the line.
I'm on the 5-second time frame right now on Market Cipher B. Ooh. And she's looking juicy, man.
Crackhead time frame. I like it.
She's looking
I'm
juicy.
I'm going to go ahead and short from here at 31,340.
Oh, man.
Oh, wait a minute. No, it's already going down. Damn it.
I'm in the short for Avalanche.
You're shorting Avalanche?
Did you limit order on that, CBO?
I did, actually.
All right. And that executed. Face, I heard you say, oh, man. What do you got going on?
No, I was just nothing. It had nothing to do with my trade.
Telling Crow not to do that.
No, I wasn't saying that. By the way, though, if you a little like tip to help with like planning that, using the making sure you're exiting, you want to click the little limit button under close buy on your trade instead of like if you're using like your whole dollar amount, you try entering like closing with the new trade at the top right, how you entered, it like won't work. And so you want to like make sure you exit your trade correctly without reducing it or reversing it. You can do it at the bottom, very bottom right, where like your actual position is, where it says close by, and do it right there.
Or you're saying do it at the bottom instead of the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Crusader, how you feeling about today, bro?
Dude, I'm feeling pumped, bro. I like seeing all this volatility happening, see how focused all the traders are. Magic, did you jump into that short as well?
Yeah,
Jayson?
I'm looking for my first take profit here if I can get it at 31,196 just as a quick one, and then see if it comes back up to the high at all. So
nice. Well, what size of position did you do?
Really small. I actually risked about 3% on this one, so a $30 risk. So position size is roughly 3,300 contracts at 22x leverage.
Nice.
Yep.
What was the position size? What position size did you say?
3,300 contracts. So in reality, the position size almost doesn't matter. It's all about the risk. The risk is only 3%. I wanted to give myself a breathing room in case it came back to the top. If it came back up there, I wanted the ability to get back in and maybe average in a better price. Okay. So wide stop, 1%.
Okay.
I didn't get my short open, so it got canceled. I kept trying to chase the price soon as I said I was going to go short, it started dropping, and then I couldn't catch up to it. So
What were you gonna
order and cancel itself out as the price dropped again? Damn it!
What price? How much were you gonna put? Like, what size trade were you gonna do, bro?
It was going to be 25% of my total holdings at 27.5.
At what leverage?
27.5.
All right, so you're gonna do what, like a
$6 grand.
$6,000? Just, dude, bro, just market it next time. If you're trying to get in fast, just mark it in and then limit out.
Yeah, damn it. See, man, my short would be so fucking good. It's still going.
Don't worry about it. There'll be another one, brother. Don't worry.
I know.
There will never be another trade. There will never be
No
another
answer. Don't
And you guys
worry.
can worry about it. You guys can worry about it.
Don't worry.
You know, I will say I've worked with Crypto Face. We would hang out sometimes on Zoom, and he'd give me all these trading pointers back in the day, and we'd be up at like late hours of the morning, and like, you know, honest to God, man, I've chatted with a lot of different people, and like off camera and like away from YouTube, he's a brain, man. Like he comes off as kind of wacky and shit, but I'm telling you, God knows some serious shit. Like, don't underestimate him. I'm telling you.
Man, we all know the drumstick story.
Mm-hmm. The drumstick story is epic.
I don't even know that story.
I don't know the drumstick story. I don't know if I want to know.
Hey, what are you talking about?
CryptoFace has made like a massive amount of money on trading sugar versus the size of his favorite, like the drumsticks from the store as they continually get smaller, right, Face?
How you gauge
I
the
wouldn't say
economy.
I wouldn't say I've made massive money on it, but I sure have gotten pissed off about my drumsticks getting smaller.
Does anybody like suckers as much as I do?
And that's not just because it's Halloween, apparently.
I just have a crazy. I buy red only Tootsie Roll Pops
and just eat them.
Yeah,
your teeth are like.
So you want to see something annoying?
Oh my God! Look at this. My short should be like fucking murdering right now.
Hey, Crusader, I just want to throw this out there, a little challenge for you today. You got your team on here. They're all throwing in trades, getting after it, right? I want to challenge you either to take one of their trades or show that you can make some money on a trade.
Okay.
I don't know if you can or not, but just throwing it out there.
By the way, I love your guys' thumbnail.
You like that?
Making it rain?
Crusader beard, dude. It's so good, bro. You got that shit on. That shit looked good. You flared it out real good.
I'll make fun of you like last week, man.
But I did send you an email just now. Like, this screen should be the thumbnail of your guys' video. We have a lot of big names here. You should take advantage of it, man.
Right.
This would be a great thumbnail. You have everyone's face on here, you know.
Which one? You send an email to us, you said?
Yeah. I sent you. I just like clipped like, you know, like the screen and sent it to you. So it might be a good thumbnail to consider. That's all I'm saying.
Dude, 100%.
Appreciate you.
Yeah,
Let's
for
get
sure. Man.
All right, guys. So Keeper challenges me. Has anybody taken profits? Jumped out of the trade?
I took full profits on mine.
You took full profits on your.
I just took full profits. So we got about a 4 or 6% gain on the day. So about a $20 gain on the day. So far, kind of maybe not the best move if we do pump more, but you know, you look at this chart, we did pump a bit, and then you also look at, you know, ETH over here. We could pump up a little bit higher, but a lot of people are trying to go short, and I think they kind of have the right idea. Potentially got some money flow coming out in your 1 minute. You do have the green dot. It's a little iffy right here. I mean, to re-enter, you'd probably want to re-enter on this green dot on the 1 minute. Try to, you know, ride this up to this area. Potentially on Ethereum, if you have stop loss down there, something like that would probably be good for, you know, trade here. You got a good shot at this, but I'm a little, you know, sometimes you look at it, it's like, do you want to win or do you want to really kill it? I mean, you already won the trade, so you're like, let's just get out. You know what I mean?
Savage, dude. I love it. I love it.
So I'm half out of my position.
Never know how that hour is going to go.
Hey, Crusader, do we have the thing pinned in the chat, by the way? Do we have our... Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Sorry to interrupt.
You were saying, Magic?
Oh, I'm half out of my position. Took profit 1 and then moved stop loss to $3 below my entry, which was 31,326. So that way I come out positive even if I'm stopped out on a market order.
Nice.
So,
I love to hear it. Let's get it. Jason, you did something similar, or are you still in a?
No, I never actually took. I didn't take the trade, so I'm waiting for another move back up there to see what we can see.
Okay.
I think we get that move up there.
It looks like we probably will.
Jimmy from Degrassi says Jay Casper coming in with the 9-inch wick.
Not from
It's not the size of
Degrassi.
the wick, guys. It's not the size.
Not the size of the wick, it's the motion,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget.
Gareth, how's
That's
that
a
chain
lie.
link?
It's
How's
about
that
the
chain link?
volume, all right?
Says the 7-foot tall man. That's a
Not the
lie.
fib.
It's a lie.
Damn, we are
This is what girls
13
say to
minutes
be nice
into
to
the
you.
hour already. Man, time flies when we're having fun.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
Chainlink-
how's that trade
Chainlink
going?
right now going against me a little bit. I did grab a quick short on Bitcoin when we were at those highs though. So, didn't make a bunch, but you can see down here I was in at short at 31,355, out at 31,197. Just small gain
Okay.
though, 11.5 bucks
Okay.
there.
Nice.
But in and out, you're totally out of that position, Gareth.
Yeah, I'm out of that position now. It was just a quick
Okay.
pullback there, and then still in the chain link, which isn't doing the greatest here right now. When we flip back to that, it's still kind of underneath resistance. I got a trend line. If we let's get rid of that. Connect from here down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there. You have that trend line there, but it's right up against it. We'll see if it breaks through or not.
What I think
Are you
is gonna be
currently
interesting-
positive on that trade, or are you?
No,
back-
I'm down on that trade.
Down a
I think
little
I'm down about $30 or so.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Good.
Anyone
Call the
else?
newspapers, guys. Call the newspapers. The altcoin brothers. Gareth Soloway is down $30 on the trade.
No dinner for me.
That's right.
Anyone got any other updates on their current trades?
Yeah, I'll
TBO.
update on my trade.
Crypto Face, how's it going for you?
Face says he's
Is
got
this
an update.
working? Is it okay? Wait, hang on. Okay.
There it is.
So we're on the 1 minute chart. It looks like she's floating at 68, 70 bucks unrealized.
That's
And I'm kind of fighting myself. I know these guys are getting in and getting out. And then I'm like, man, I want to stay in it. And then I look at the clock and we're already 15 minutes in. This, let me see here. Let me see. We're on Solano.
Trust yourself,
1
bro.
minute, 30 seconds. Let me see if it maybe kind of comes down. Does this? How long would this be?
Definitely don't listen to your coach. That's for damn sure. You shouldn't listen to him.
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to get a good one on this one. I want to get a
So
good one on
face,
this one. I
face,
wanna
talk to me
stay
about
in,
something.
Damn it.
For educational purposes, right? So if somebody's in a trade like this, and why would they not just slide their stop up into, let's just say, $40 of that profit or $50 of that profit or whatever? Why would you not do that? Like at this point, like why are you not doing that? I guess is what my question is. Is it something that you don't like to do, or is it just what you're looking at with this particular position? Walk me through that.
Well, because I don't want to. I wanted to go like I just don't want to. I don't want this to be closed.
But I mean, but I guess what I'm asking is, could you not lock in profits that way, or you're
Sure. I could lock in profits, but I want more profits.
It's for the competition.
I'm with it, bro. Kill it.
Yeah, I mean,
Let's
I get it. I could try limiting out and taking the 50, 60 bucks now, but
No. I wasn't saying that. I was saying like just sliding up a.
Yeah, I mean, well, it depends on what you think. If you're in a good trade, it depends on how much more you think the trade's going to go in your direction. Like if you exit and you take profit, taking profits is good. But if you're confident that you can get more, then you want to get more.
It's going to be taking a piece. It's going to be taking a piece off the table, is what you're saying.
Yeah,
by sliding that up. So
it's okay to do. I mean,
yeah,
that's what I've been doing for the past 2 months. It hasn't been this one trade. I take some off, and then I like it's just like blackjack. Like I've been through that whole DCAing into a shitty trade with the damn trade bot on some shit coins, and I don't rarely do I put more money into a trade that's in the red.
Okay.
But when a trade's in the green, then we have some cushion. You double down on a good hand in blackjack.
But does a trailing stop loss actually take some of the trade off of the table, or is it just protect you to the downside?
Well, if it hits it, yeah. I mean,
but if it doesn't, you're not taking anything off the table preemptively, correct?
No, if it doesn't hit, it, then no, it doesn't. No.
Yeah, he's just afraid that the stop loss. They're gonna hunt them down and
I
wake
totally
them
get
out.
it. Totally get it.
The stop loss.
We're here to educate as well. So
guys,
losing team there. We're here.
Smash those likes. The least you guys can do is educate people.
I'm going against my indicators. I'm going short just to let it ride and see what happens by the end of this damn show. Because I think it's going to go down from here. But
are you in a trade right now, Crow?
I am in a trade.
All right. Face is up quite a bit.
You're shorting Bitcoin right now?
Yes.
Okay. What was the size of your position?
Let's see here. List price at 32,193. Entry price 31,184. $2,650 total trade. I'm up $2 so far.
Perfect. Awesome. Guys, I want to remind you guys, smash those likes if you haven't already. Make sure you guys are hitting that sub if you're not subbed. And go follow all these creators. Links are down below. And if you want to participate in the fun, hit that link in the chat. It's pinned to the top. Join the ZoomX competition. Oh, man, I was going to jump into an ETH short, but I think I might have missed it.
Yeah, man.
Magic.
Story of your life, bro.
Yeah, it's hard to host and trade, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Magic, you said you had an update?
MACD. While the price is falling, I want to see this touch on the moving average here on the 1 minute chart. That would be at around 3,100.
Now say that again. I kind of got cut off on that. What'd you say, Crow?
Well, on a 1 minute candle chart, it's wanting to move down towards this moving average here. On a 15 minute, it's got a ways to go, but I could see this maybe touching down on the moving average at around 31.51.
Okay.
And we went red on the MACD on a 1 minute. So that tells me that I might even get a actual signal to short sooner than later. So it'll be cool. I think I got in at the right time. So we'll see how it plays out.
I like it. I hope it plays out. Magic, I think, did you have something you were getting ready to execute on or something that you're looking at right now?
Yeah, I'm in a short on Cardano.
You're in a short on Cardano.
How dare
Bro is going to
You
break.
can't go wrong with that.
It's a stable coin right now, bro. How are we short? You're shorting Cardano, the stable coin?
Yeah. It came up and swept local highs. And so it's one of those things where it just good risk to reward, not looking to do too much with it, take it back down to maybe the daily value area high, and then, get out with some profit, double down a little bit. Because I don't know how ZoomX works in terms of opening up multiple positions on Bitcoin. So I don't know if I can trade against myself or like how I can do that. But
that's space.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to the shitcoin well.
Ouch,
you
bro.
Did you hear that? A shitcoin?
Did you hear
Everything's
that,
a shitcoin, bro.
Who just said that? I don't see anybody's mouth moving, but I hear voices.
Ooh, shots fired. Cardano's been showing some strength. It's been looking good in the high time frames.
Stop it.
On my personal account, I'm long on Cardano, actually, looking for 29 cents. But
yeah.
So
Crow
I'm
was
going
the one
on
that
my
originally got
account
me into
right
Cardano.
now to see if I can open up. I've never tried opening up multiple positions on ZoomX on the same one, but I'll get an answer for you in just a moment.
Stand by.
Whether they admit it or not, I got half of crypto YouTube into Cardano, damn it. Rightfully so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super bullish on Cardano long term. Obviously, not for the trading competition right now, but long term, 100%.
Hey, Jason.
Yo.
I see you down there. Scoping. What are you taking a peek at? There's a lot of people in here that follow you and love seeing your trades. What do you got going on?
Well, I missed my short opportunity here. I'm waiting for another opportunity to either get into a short or get into a long trade. I know
that's pretty in depth.
I know a lot of people weren't expecting that.
I was just looking for the opportunity to get in a short or a long.
Scalping the 5-second time frame, literally all morning practicing for this. I haven't gotten a single setup this entire time.
I don't like the 5. I like the 30-second, but to be honest, the 5-second, like when I give presentations on Market Cypher, the 30-second, it's like the best time frame of all time frames. Like you can give like live. I can do live presentations and be right every time with the 30-second, but 5-second. I don't know. I've never really it's a little too choppy.
I got 10 trades in a row on the 5 second.
That's because you're the man.
So I'm hoping I can get another 10 trades in the next, 37 minutes.
Want to quickly remind you guys, like Jayson said, 37 minutes left of the show for trading. So if you haven't gotten into at least one trade, start thinking about that before the show closes out. And if you are in a trade, start thinking about your exit strategy for that as well. Guys, smash those likes. Go ahead, Gareth.
I was just going to say, I just closed out my chain link short for a nice little gain.
Oh, for a gain.
Ooh, for a gain. Let's go, baby.
What was P&L? Let's see. What did I bank on that thing?
Just got the sell trigger. Ooh.
about $25 looks like. So nice.
Let's go, dude. That's a nice,
30,
nice
about
trade.
35 net gain today so far between the two.
Ooh, dude. Team Keeper is in trouble. Let me tell you. Team Keeper is in trouble.
Yeah, CryptoFace is like up 800K right now on his Solana trade. Okay, so we're
Face,
good.
what's your update on the Solana trade?
I don't remember. I don't know. Yeah, let me pull it. Let me pull it up here. Let's see.
Yeah, we're having a pretty nice pullback on Ethereum, on Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, I expected this little pullback. And I was hemming and hawing if I should take some out, but I'm thinking we're gonna ride it out. I think we can see kind of some waves come back, and I'm looking at 20-30 minutes, so I'm probably gonna be skirting right up against the final 10 minutes. I'm gonna be looking for some buzzer beaters here. We're gonna be looking for some buzzer beaters here from CryptoFace.
I like it.
Nice, dude. Oh man, I told you I should have gone short on Ethereum, man. Ethereum's breaking down.
I mean,
I missed it.
I threw it out there. It's just a challenge. I mean,
I know. I had it. I saw it. I just didn't execute. I've been looking around, looking at all the screens,
Yeah.
pumping up my team.
It's a lot. It's a lot. Anybody else getting in or out or looking at anything that they think's interesting on the charts right now?
Wasn't Evan in Ethereum?
Yeah, I took the profits on the ETH long, which is a very good idea. I entered a new ETH short, kind of a tiny little thing just to play around a little bit here. And I mean, you could kind of see where I'm looking to just kind of get a little like, don't try this. This is just
don't try this at home.
This is just like, you missed most of the move. The breakout is right there from the double top, and then you would have a technical target around this kind of area. 1694. We're getting a little jump right now. Let's look at our chart. Just a little bit. You got the bear div on the 2-minute right now, and some of these lower time frames, such as the I think the 30-second was looking pretty. Yeah, 30-second money flow crossover into the red. It looks pretty good. Your RSIs are coming up a little bit, so we'll see what happens here. If you also want to draw a fib, levels are always good to tell us potentially where we could.
I'll be right back. I just heard a crash in the house.
Well, I hope everything's okay.
Yeah, not funny. I don't know why I laughed. I was just like a market crash. I was like,
was that a Bitcoin crash?
Yeah, I thought he was looking at the show.
So anyway, guys, the last thing right here is that we do have our technical target, our pocket at about 1695, which I think is a really good place to be closing out the.
What was the target? 16.9 what?
1695, but don't tell anybody that. We don't want anybody.
Don't want anybody trading your trade that you're telling everybody not to do.
Yeah.
I mean, we got a little.
I didn't say not to do it. I said it was a little. It wasn't a
16.96.
good risk reward ratio. It was a little late to get in, a little FOMO kind of trade. But
So you're also up on that short as well, right?
I'm in the green. I'm about almost 1% in profit.
Let me find out Evan popping off profitable trades every time he executes, bro.
Dude, savage, bro.
What's the secret sauce? Is the secret sauce market cipher?
The secret sauce for this, basically these trades, low, not a good risk reward ratio, and just getting some, short-term stuff. Wait till it gets in the green, close out. I mean, you'd be surprised. You could do pretty well.
I want to share some
market cipher stuff. I've showed you all this. I showed you what I was looking at. I've always showed you. It just played out the way.
I want to share some secret sauce with our audience right here. Yeah. Market cipher. If you guys are not using it, if you guys are looking to use it, link is down below. 20% off with the code down below. Market cipher is a sponsor of the show with the legend himself, CryptoFace, in the house, showing it and proving it. We've also got ZoomX, our main sponsor here, which made this show entirely possible. Without them, we would not be here. This is the platform that everyone is trading on. So, guys, check out ZoomX. The link is pinned in the chat. Go check them out. Join into the competition and have some fun. And last but not least, Houdini Swap. If you care about your privacy, if you don't want them looking where your money's going, where you're sending it left or right to one wallet to the next wallet, Houdini Swap is where it's at. You connect your wallet and you can send it from one place to the next, and poof, it's gone, and it reappears, and nobody knows how it got there, and they can't trace it.
And
So
they're
go
giving
check
each
out
of the
Houdini Swap.
Yeah, for sure. And they're giving each of the contestants the opportunity to off ramp all their earnings using Houdini Swap, to further our pledge
And there's
for
a link
blockchain privacy.
down below for Houdini Swap as well. Helps the channel out and helps you once again continue to combat privacy and stay private on the blockchain.
All right, I took a long on Bitcoin.
Let's get it. Show us
I
that
already,
long.
I already took a profit. Well, you guys,
Hold on a second. You got in and got out without telling us in about 3.2 seconds.
Well, you guys were talking. Yeah, basically, I mean, I'm on the 5-second time frame over here. So we came down. We took this low right here. We had this low. We just grabbed it, got some bullish divs. So I just went for it, limited out a little bit, made $10, and I still got a little bit left in the trade. So if it keeps pumping, my next target right up here is gonna be 31,200.
31,200.
31,200 for another.
I don't even know how you keep up on a low time frame like that. I mean, obviously, I know you trade all the time, but those low time frames to me are like, holy mackerel. They're just in, out, in, out, in, out. It's great though. $10. Just somebody just said you just bought yourself lunch, bro. Dollar menu. J-Boy Bullish. Shout out.
Shout out to my wife, Big Butts 28. She's gonna be eating good tonight.
Hey man, we're trading with $1,000. This is like some real life shit right here. So
I just made 1%.
People be doing this to got to trade to eat. Like if you don't win today, you don't eat.
That's right.
On Avalanche, I'm about to take some off here.
You about to take some profits, EVO?
Yeah, I don't know if you can pull it up, but
where is it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. We were looking at this earlier, right? So this is the developing day range, gold pocket up here. Basically wicked right into it. So I'm just looking for it to come down in the VWAP just a little bit more. I probably might end up just pulling it here in a second, but it's almost at over 1% on 4x leverage, and then looking to see if we hit the previous week high.
Dude. Awesome. And what's the P&L on that?
It's on my phone.
Man, I'm kicking myself for not taking that ETH short. It worked out.
ETH short?
Right. Dude, that ETH short, it's still moving, dude. It's still going down.
It's about to.
How low are we now?
1695, dude. I was talking about shorting it back when it was at 1703.
Wow, $8.
Dude, but on leverage, that's a good P&L right there.
You better have a shit ton of leverage on there, bro.
20x,
20x
that bitch.
What'd you say, Face?
What do you think we're doing here?
I know.
Ain't nobody trading on 5x here, bro. Everybody's up 10x plus.
Yeah. How's the Solana trade?
I'll let you know when the show's almost over.
Okay. It's gonna be a surprise.
We are halfway through the show. We've got 29 minutes left of trading. So guys, get work going. Let's get it.
And chat, guys,
I'm expecting it to come like I expected the price to come down here, but I'm just kind of hoping. I believe the price will go up. Like overall, will it go up in this amount of time? That's the risk I'm rolling the dice on.
All right. Well, I hope it goes up.
I feel like these guys are smart. They're fucking taking. I'm sorry for cursing. They're taking their good profits. I'm flopping and groping a little bit over here. I'm doubting myself.
Well, I'm out of my trades now. I'm out of my Bitcoin short. I took profits at the April high at 31,069.50, and then out of ADA short as well.
Heard long.
Yeah, I took profits.
You can always count on Magic Internet Money to make you feel dumber than him.
Heard long.
It's the glasses, man. It's the glasses. Yeah.
I do want to throw out there for anybody in the chat, guys, if obviously you're looking get in and out of trades, but if you do have somebody that you want to do, maybe you're in a trade or you're thinking about getting into a trade, if you toss in the time frame, toss it in the super chat, tell us which one of the analysts you want to take a look at your trade, toss it up there. We'll
That should
We'll
that should be like a super chat, like a little
That's what I'm
super chat spin round for $5 or $10. You get to choose Gareth Soloway for Cardano or whatever coin you want to do.
Yeah.
You know, little things. You could take. There's so many things we could do with this show.
Magic, what was your P&L for that short?
I think 20%.
$20%?
$20.
$20.
2% on the account. I wish it was 20%, but we're using risk management here. I'm only risking like 2 to 3% because I'm doing multiple trades at a time. So I'm not trying to go 10% risk on each trade and get, railed.
I mean, wouldn't be terrible either. I mean, there's only so many shows left. Well, we got
I know.
8 shows in total.
You gotta build up the positive
You got to
first.
risk it to get the biscuit, Magic.
I got a feeling the last day, like the last show, it's gonna be
All in.
100 X's all in.
Yeah, we're going ham, bro.
Dips are going in, man. Let's get it.
I forgot to mention I'm using 66.6 leverage.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Just make it an even 69, man.
It's gonna be like Family Feud. It's not over till the last round.
That's right.
Gareth, have you jumped into any other trades?
No, I'm keeping an eye on a couple things here, but nothing's hit a level yet. So just trying to be patient. But yeah, it is interesting. It's $1,000, but I have my stock account over here where I'm trading. I just entered a Spiders trade 10,000 shares, right? And it's just that's less intense than this is because when you're doing it with the group and you got to make a trade and you're on a team, it's like it brings up the pressure a little bit.
Yep.
Dude, that's the magic of this show, right? It's like you're trading under the worst conditions possible with high level of pressure,
And being forced to do it.
and being forced to take trades you don't want to take, but you gotta risk you gotta manage the risk, and still being able to come out profitable at the end is what really shows the audience that these guys are what they say they are. They are the real deal when it comes to trading.
Yeah.
I want to see
I took another long, guys.
31-066
I'm in
before we
another
pump it.
long.
You're in another long, Jason?
I'm in another long, yeah. Trying to take profits right away. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Just hit a take profit, baby.
Wow.
Let's
Long,
go.
Come on, baby. Oh, all right. Whew.
Are you out?
I just got
He's
out.
up.
Oh my God, that was so quick, bro. What'd you take there?
I meant to take
Let me see your close
75%.
position on that.
I took 100% by accident. I meant to take 75%, so I made.
That's
Let's
okay.
see what
Let's
I
see your
made.
let's see your close P&L there.
$13, baby.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna,
dude.
we're gonna have to see these
So-
totals at the end. I don't know if these guys are limited posting now. I think you guys are marking out, thinking you got something, and you're
Now look
digging
at this.
yourself
Check
in
it
your own
out.
hole.
I got the realized P&L here. So my first win was $14. The market order out was a $7 loss. So that's a $7 profit. Right
Yep,
here,
that's $20 in profit.
$13.39, baby.
You can always also go to your assets page and it will show you your overall USDT value for the account. And that way you know exactly what you're up for the show.
Yeah, let's see here. Let's go to the
Let's
assets.
go.
$62 for the show. So I'm up about
Yeah,
$20.
let's go, Billy.
Let's go,
You
baby.
got it, Jason. I think you're number first place. I think.
But you know what is messed up is I wasn't supposed to close that whole position. So I could have made even more. So flopping and groping on the buttons over here.
Yeah.
Flopping and groping. All right, so let's
Just
see here.
wanna
Let me
quickly
kind of do
show-
it. Let me do a run through real quick. So Crow, you are sitting currently in a short on Bitcoin, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's-
Man,
yeah.
Man, you didn't take no profit. Oh, is everything okay? First of all, is there a car that crashed
Guys, I
into your
just-
house?
Oh yeah, what happened to your house, Crow? You good?
Oh, nothing. I don't know what the hell I heard. It might have been off of one of your guys' mics. I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, glad everything's good there. So he's in a short, waiting for that to play out. CVO, where are you at right now? We're just going to kind of go around the horn real quick. Where are you at?
I'm chilling. I'm out.
Okay, you're out, but in profit.
Yeah, what was the P&L on that? You were shorting Avalanche, right?
You shorted Avalanche, and you pulled what?
4%.
4%.
Nice.
Evan, you've had 2 profitable trades today.
Yeah, so one ETH long that did okay,
Okay.
and then one ETH short that was kind of in and out. So I think we're up $20 on the day. I am eyeing right now. If you want to look at my screen, I'm debating whether I want to do a third trade.
Yeah, check it
Let's
out.
go,
We're
Evan.
forming on our 5-second chart. Jayson Casper is corrupting me with this, and got a reverse
Yeah,
head
good
and
chart.
shoulders here, and may have a technical target up here at around 17 again. So
What
I'd
asset is
say-
that? Ethereum?
The Ethereum on the 5-second time frame, looking good with the trigger wave. It is on the 5-second though. So
you did just bounce off the day range high too. So
yeah, I mean, I think you got, if you're trying to chase price a little bit here, I mean,
shout out to Knox. He says, "Yo, this show is lit AF LFG. We appreciate all the support, guys. If you haven't smashed the like, smash the like, subscribe. Make sure that you guys that you have the bell notifications on, and follow each of the creators. All their information is down below. They've all got either some sort of an indicator or trading groups or whatever, guys. Ultimately, we're pushing them to do things that is not a comfortable position to be put in for a trader. So you should be definitely respecting what you're seeing right now, because we've got profitable trades all over the board. So CVO, boom. Evan, boom. Face is in a Solana trade that he's keeping a secret. Jason, are you in and out of another trade already and we just don't know about it?
No, not yet. I'm
Okay.
looking for a short though.
I jumped in a long chain link here.
Okay.
Oh,
I've been eyeing that. I've been eyeing the chain link. I was wondering if you were gonna, because I know I think you hit link last week, and yeah, I was sitting here.
Week.
Yeah, it looks like that should be a good entry, man. And it's just about how much time we have left, you know. But I think that's a good trade.
We got 20 minutes, 21 minutes left.
20
All right, we
minutes,
should be in good
yeah.
shape. Solana's
closed my
creeping back
short.
for me too. Here, I'm back $21, $25 up.
Okay.
I really hope this takes off a little bit. I really like to get a nice one.
Face, that coaching that I gave you earlier might have been a great idea, but you know, again, don't listen to Keeper, because I'm terrible at trading. It might have just been lucky. Okay, just say it.
Crow, what were you saying about your trade?
What'd you say?
I closed my short
For profit? Were you in profit?
Yeah, it's only $2.33.
Okay. Hey,
Let's go.
$2.33 more than we had.
Yeah, I'm gonna quickly show the dashboard here so far that we've got from ZoomX.
I'm long again on.
Oh, let's go. Third win of the day.
Oh, what?
I took that trade in the 5-second. It just got hit. I'll show you the close P&L.
This
So
is exciting.
Dude.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay. Only $2, but I should have
that.
did a bigger position. Only $2, a $2 little win here. I limited out though, but still, I mean,
This is DGen Wars, also known as Crackhead Wars.
We should be trading like this more often, like with bigger sizes.
I mean, 3 wins in a row.
I'm out.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I've been trading the 5-second on my real account, and you can rack up those wins pretty quick, man.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
You mark it in and you limit out on all of them, right? Is
Wait,
that
Add
hold
a
on.
chain link here.
What'd you say, Gareth?
What's
Add
that,
a
Gareth?
chain link for another almost $15.
Oh, look
Three
at
wins.
you. You'd think this guy owns a hedge fund or something. Damn.
What was the other update? Some people saying something else. Was that CVO?
I'm in long, I was short from Avalanche. Now I long it where I took it down to.
Let's go.
I went long on Bitcoin for the record.
So I was looking for that pullback here, and then I just re-entered it literally right where I swapped it out at the previous week high in the VWAP.
So is there a space where we see the P&L of the other group and our group in total? Like
So I'm gonna show it right now. Obviously, this is not updated to after everything that's been happening on this show, but so far from last week, this is the Keeper. Why don't you share, because you have the zoom in feature? You can actually zoom in and see everybody's P&L.
Is it in our Twitter? Right?
Yeah, it's on our Twitter. Go check it out.
Is it just from last week's results?
Yeah, from last week's
this isn't
results so
this
far.
isn't updated from today. But let me pull it up. Boom.
Evan, what are you looking for ETH for the next target? Curious.
Oh man, for
ETH is moving, baby.
So we could hit 1704 potentially. I probably should have kept a little bit in that long.
All right. So here it is. Sponsored by ZoomX, Trading Wars, brought to you by Debate Crypto. We got some this is from last week. Team Crusader, Jayson Casper up 5.6%.
Let's go.
Evan Aldo up 4.09%. CVO was not on last week, but did execute on a trade. He was down a little bit, down 3.21. Magic up 1.21%, and Gareth up 1.08. I think this week actually so far you guys have been killing what you did last week, which is fantastic. Face was up 0.38. Crow was up 0.10. Blood took a little bit of a loss at 1.4. Lifer down about 3.66. And then Ben Armstrong was down about 6.33%, all using different strategies. And I think that's one of the things that we haven't touched on today, Crusader, is, what I'm seeing happening is everybody's kind of doing their own thing, which I think is good because people are comfortable using, I was wondering whether the teams were going to really band together on things, but everybody looks at things differently. Like Jason's really good on the 5-second chart. Well, maybe Gareth doesn't trade on the 5-second chart. So he's like, screw that. I don't even feel comfortable doing that. That doesn't make sense to me. I'm not going to do that. And it looks like everybody using their own strategies has been
Gareth trades on the 5-second chart. Don't let him fool you.
Gareth's on the 1-second chart, right? He's got 100x on the 1-second
millions on the 4 hour. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I gotta say these fees are insane. I just closed another long. I made almost $11 on the trade, but it's like $12 in fees.
Well, bro, you're playing with thousands of dollars, dude. It's the fees don't come out of what you make; it comes out of.
I know this is crazy.
You got to use that post feature that Face was saying to save on the fees. Because if you do it with at the market with the maker,
See, my limits were a lot less pricey.
Oh yeah, makes a huge difference for sure.
You got to really plan ahead though for that.
That's the thing with leverage trading on any platform is you got to make sure that that you're being concise on how to the taker and maker fees work and how to be able to limit order
this
out.
Isn't a ZoomX thing. This is just a general,
This is a general education thing. Trust me, I've learned a lot.
I remember Crusader called me one day and he was like, he wasn't on ZoomX, he was on another platform playing around before we teamed up with ZoomX, and he's like, bro, I just had the most freaking profitable trade. And I was like, and then what? And he's like, and then my freaking fees came out. Damn it! And I was like, what happened, bro? I don't even remember. It was a large number.
It was like an $80 profitable win, and I lost like almost like 30% of it or something like that on fees.
Yeah, I think I remember it even being higher than that. And you were like, what the hell happened here? But it's the market orders, right? Face. That's what really kills it, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely marketing.
Dude, because when you're doing a limit, you're making the market, so you're not paying the market making fees.
Yeah.
When you're doing market orders, you're basically just
but with the limits, obviously with the limits, like you said, Crow, you've really got to plan and execute, and it's got to hit. It's not just okay, I'm out.
Bro, if we have volatility like this on Thursday, I'm going to be trading on the show, man. I haven't been executing trades, but I've been looking at ETH, the longs and the shorts, bro.
It's okay if you're scared to take my challenge, bro.
I'm not scared.
I get it.
There's only one of the two of us here that actually trades.
That's true. That's true.
I ain't afraid to take a trade.
That's true. I am profitable on my last 3 trades in a row, so therefore I am now a official trader. Okay, so just want to be clear. No, trading is something that if I had the time, you guys have taught me so much. You've taught Crusader, all of you in your respective the different things that you respectively do have taught us a lot for real. It's part of the reason why we've kind of migrated over towards it. I used to be straight up the person that would say, bro, trading is self-fulfilled prophecy. It's just like, you're just freaking, I just didn't believe in it at all. And then I kept seeing you guys come on here talking some of these numbers. CVO and Magic would come on the show all the time. Seen Gareth come on the show, Faith come on. Everybody on here has come on the show and talked about these setups. And it's like, it was too much to ignore. And I started to realize, wow, this actually works. And then we started looking at indicators. We started looking at Market Cipher, and I'm like, wow, this is really calling things out. This works. I should probably look at this a little bit closer. Yeah. So here we are. For sure.
I want to hit something up. Somebody said, are anybody using bots? No, all these guys are purely using their own brains right
brain
now.
Power.
None of their AI power, just straight brain power here to make these trades live for you guys.
I do love trading bots.
They're using brain power, which is why Crusader is not currently trading. Just throwing that out there to everybody.
But I did recruit the best team for Trader. So
so far you might be winning. I don't know.
And I do want to bring up a question here. Guys, we are expanding the show from just Trading Wars to 1v1s, right? So I'm putting it out here, you guys on the spot. Whether you're on the same team or not, it doesn't matter. That doesn't affect this competition directly. Who here wants to go 1v1 somebody else?
Just with somebody. You can just whatever. Anybody interested in doing a little 1v1?
It'd be like this show. You go live on the show, right? 3 o'clock on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. You guys, depending on the schedule you guys have, we can make it happen and see you guys trade 1v1.
Just as a fun thing to do.
Yeah, I'd be
Evan,
down.
you're a savage. Who are you calling out, Evan?
Oh,
be
it's
down
tough
for
because
it
it's
if I-
like it's like if you just get because some of these got man like me against Jayson Casper, I think I'd get slaughtered. But some of you, I think I'd be able to beat. I don't know. I don't think I'm the best trader here, but I think oh man,
But you think you could take some people too?
I think I could take some people.
See, that's what I'm saying. I think it would be fun. Just whether you're in
Yeah.
the same team or not, it'd be fun. Crow, you said you would be interested in possibly doing it, yeah?
Yeah, I know I'm not typically looked at as a trader. I'm pretty capable, but I like to experiment quite a bit with a lot of different things. I don't have a set system, and I used to, but I like to explore. And I would be down, but I don't necessarily know that I like you've got 1 hour because I'm looking for particular setups. And so far, not a single one of my setups has hit during one of these streams. So I'm kind of just screwing around a little bit.
Listen, Crow, I know you're 7 foot tall and you push other people around, but this is our show, okay? And we tell you how you're going to damn trade.
Not a fighter.
Okay. No, it is tough. I mean, we've talked about that a lot. We're pushing you to do things that are not comfortable for anybody.
It's like a first day in prison.
Bitcoin's going for that high.
So guys, we got 12 minutes left. Is anybody still in a trade or planning on getting into a trade?
I'm looking for a
still
short.
in mine.
I'm still in avalanche long, trying to break through this gold pocket, but I might close.
CVO's in an avalanche long. Crypto Face, he's still in his Solana long, right?
Yeah, I might have to lower my exits.
I wish I'd have stayed.
And Jayson, what are you looking at?
I just took a short. And
you show that?
Wrecked.
Oh,
yeah, you can show it.
Wrecked.
And I'm getting wrecked. Yeah, think about it. You don't want to show that one.
No, it's shared. The screen is shared right now.
I took a short too here on Bitcoin.
About to be a short on Bitcoin here in a second for sure.
I took a
That's
short.
where you're
on
shorting,
Bitcoin.
right?
Come on, baby.
So you're good. You just got in early. It's okay.
Come on, baby. Yeah.
Crusader
We're short,
on
baby.
BRB.
We're shorting it. That's what I'm talking about.
Gareth,
Jason, what was your number that you made
jumping
today
in
so
short
far?
as well?
Like $60?
Yeah, short Bitcoin here.
perfect.
Oh crap!
What target are
tried-
you looking for?
I'm just looking for a quick little trade with only 10 minutes left. You just gotta look for a quick something.
Perfect. Magic,
Oh,
you just
man.
chilling, or are you getting into that short action for Bitcoin as well?
I'm waiting for the New York high here. We'll see if we get it. New York high is sitting at 31,394, but if not, I'll miss out. We'll see.
Let's get it.
Also, just a note, like at least the mentality of myself. So this is about only about 25% of the account that I'm doing, and the idea behind it is that I've already got a good day. So if this doesn't go with me, I don't want to give back all my gains. So it's kind of like a calculated thing as the day comes to a close with this.
Exactly right. You don't want to lose all your gains chasing a trade when you've already had a good day trading. Trust me, I've learned that lesson the hard way many, many times. I've been up $100 and I'm like, oh, I can squeeze in another good little trade, and boom.
All right,
$100.
I just took a profit on the short, and I just made another $10.
Let's go.
Bam, baby, up $74 on the account. That's what I'm talking about.
Just today?
That's pretty solid.
Nah, 4% on Monday. But I made the same mistake twice, which is I closed 100% of the trade instead of 75%. My 5-second strategy is close 75% at TP1, stop loss a little bit above that entry to negate the market fee stop loss, and then let the rest ride. So I could have been up a lot today because I don't know if you can see my screen, but the long I took on Bitcoin was from down here.
Ooh.
And I closed 100% of the trade instead of 75%. So that was my bad.
That would have been wild.
Better safe than sorry.
I don't know. I'd rather be sorry than safe. That's how I live my life. That's why my wife married me, actually.
I'm too old for that.
Yeah,
Man, I need this candle to push through right now. I'm going to share my screen
Go
because this is some nail biter action. I'm right at almost a half. Let's see, it's 261. I got $100 right here. I'm hoping she's going to kind of break through. I want it to be higher, but I really need this candle to push through. Please.
And what's
Right there.
what's your unrealized P&L right now on that trade?
42, 43.
That's a good
Come
trade.
on,
There you go.
baby.
There you go.
Come on. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. All right, now. Oh, my gosh. I should have stayed in.
Oh,
My boy get a big win, did he?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Face is
come on.
killing it right now.
You got some tissues
Wow,
next
it's
to
still
you?
going.
Ooh,
Come on,
it's
come
moving.
on, come on, it's right there.
Right, it's at
it's
30.
right there. It's right there.
You still haven't taken profits?
Oh my God! I'm up $38. Okay, I still
Take
got
profits.
61 in here. Oh,
You know,
okay.
4 gallons of gas in there.
I'm tripping. I'm flipping. I'm going long. Okay. All right. Let's see.
352.
29,932.
So have you taken any profits on that trade?
3-1.
Hey, be quiet. The master's working.
Trying to focus.
All right, let's see if I'm trying to take it all out right here, but I don't know. We hit the previous 3-day swing top, swing high, swing top of the 12 of the mid afternoon.
I walked away. At the
We
wrong
got
time.
7 minutes. 7 minutes, guys.
All right, I'm out of AVAX.
You're
I'm
out of
looking for
AVAX.
another short here.
Yeah, $50.
You made $50 on that one trade.
Yeah, just from that one.
Nice.
So how much have you made today so far?
I think it was right at like 65.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
CVO
you made
coming
2
back with a
trades.
vengeance.
You made a short and a long on AVAX for a total of about $65 just today. CVO is being a savage here.
Next trading session, damn it, I'm going half. But I gotta catch up to you guys. I'm being too safe. I think I was trading with $100. Screw this shit.
Jason, what did you jump into that trade?
I'm waiting for another short. I might take one at 31,387.
Jason, did you lose all of CVO's profits that he just made for your team?
No,
or
dude.
no?
He actually
No,
came out
I closed that
profitable.
trade
He
in
did?
profit, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Dude,
Don't talk to Jason like that, sir. Don't disrespect the legend.
Yeah, look at this. I shorted literally this 1 minute candle, this purple candle right here.
Yeah.
That was my profit. $11, baby, on a 1 minute candle.
That was the one that you were. That was the one you were getting, or you felt like you were getting hurt on for a minute, right? Didn't you say you were like
for a few seconds? I mean, when you're on the
few
5-second chart, you could be wrecked and then in profit, then wrecked and then in profit. Every 5 seconds it changes.
And are you limiting out doing on the 5-second chart?
Oh yeah. So I actually limited in and out of that.
Okay.
dude, savage.
You're
I'm
probably
telling you, bro.
making more off the getting paid on the fees on one of the sides.
Yeah.
Shit.
I'm telling you,
get
my
some
team.
trade off and getting paid on the fees. If it's the right time of day, actually. So I could be wrong.
31,387 looks kind of juicy for a short on the 5-second.
We got 5 minutes left.
I'm out, and I'm out.
Nice.
Let's see.
If this thing rockets up right, I'm gonna be pissed. But okay, what's my account at? I'm at $1,056.04.
I like it.
Let's get it.
So heck yeah. So face up what, $50 today?
Yeah.
A little less than, I don't know. What did I make, $3 the first day?
I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, so $50. Yeah, shit.
Heck yeah, it's been profitable. So
Another
far.
day of
look at,
nothing but green trades. That's what I'm talking about.
Green. Has anybody taken an L today?
No.
I think technically I did after fees.
Okay. So you were in profit.
My
you
total
marketed out. Yeah.
My total balance, I've made $9.27 total.
Okay. Well, you're still in the green.
Oh, okay, so you're still
I'm in the green.
Yeah.
Oh, we're pumping right now.
Oh yeah, we're moving. How much did you make the first day, Crow?
67 cents.
Yeah, and you're up $9 total. So
Well,
you made like,
I made 2 trades today. One of them was down $2.33 because of the fees.
Because remember he had another trade that he did decent on. Yeah.
oh yes.
And then I did a long after that trade, and I made $9 or $11 on it. So my overall balance is $9.
Dude, ETH is running right now again, 1710.
Shane, you take that back right now. Listen, his team is doing well, no doubt. But you take it back, young man. I have the blocking powers.
Team L.
Team L.
Come on, 1730 ETH.
Anybody planning on jumping into the trade in these last 4 minutes?
Man, I'm trying to, honestly. I've got a limit order set here. Let's see if it gets filled.
Oh man.
Jason,
down
right
to
to
the
the end.
ringer, man.
I like it.
Down to the 3 minutes. I don't know, but on the 5-second time frame, I got all the time in the world.
That's right.
Gareth, what are you looking at, Gareth?
No, I just, because time's up, I just closed out my Bitcoin.
Okay.
Basically took a $6.63 loss on that. Looks
Okay.
like for the day I'm up about 44 bucks. So not bad.
Damn.
Dang,
Nice.
that's
Good
freaking
work.
Man,
Great.
these guys just hitting heavy hitters, man.
Yeah, I think everybody's done well today for sure.
I'll say I took a $5 loss on that. I went for the short before time was up, and it hit that New York high and stopped me out. So $5 loss, not the end of the world.
No.
Hey, man.
Magic, what did you
good.
end up for the day? Did you end up today, or are you down a little bit?
I think $14.
$14. Gareth
Yeah.
looks like he's up about 40 to 50 bucks today. Jason, I don't know what you're up right now. I know you're looking for a trade, so I'll skip you. Face ended up around. Right, you're up 34 right now. Face ended up, I think, somewhere around 50 bucks today.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that.
I think
Evan?
I'm in the top 3.
I'm
so
up
far
about
today.
$25, $30, something like that.
Okay.
Let's go.
The CVO, I think, might have been the big number today.
$65, right?
65.
65 bucks today.
Nice.
Wish I would have stayed in my
And Crow is up like 11-ish bucks, 9 to 11 bucks, something like that. And then Crusader was too scared to take a trade. So at any event, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. No, this is a lot of fun.
I was making sure to coach my team to get nothing but green, bro.
Yeah, I see it. It was definitely coaching. It had nothing to do with the guys knowing how to trade. It was definitely coaching.
No, it's just moral support. I'm just here to morally support people.
Hey, everybody that's watching, just want to throw out there, if you have enjoyed the show or if you have hated the show, still make sure to subscribe. Make sure to smash that like if you haven't already. Mondays and Thursdays, we're doing Trading Wars. Obviously, as you're seeing right now, we've got parts of 2 teams on here. We're going to be doing the same thing on Thursday, 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sponsored by ZoomX, sponsored by Market Cypher. Market Cypher is giving 20% off. If you want to check that out, the link is down below. And then Houdini Swap and our pledge to privacy. If you guys are looking to do, just keep your transactions private, Houdini Swap is a great option for that. And thank you to ZoomX for providing the liquidity to be able to do the show. It's been
man.
fantastic.
I want to quickly add on that. ZoomX is also giving 20% on your $100 deposits, giving 20% off all fees throughout this competition. And for Houdini Swap as well, the biggest way I'm thinking about using Houdini Swap is when moving my stuff to cold storage. I don't want people to be able to track it from an exchange or from my MetaMask or whatever it is to my cold storage, and then boom, I'm making sure that nobody is tracing it back to my cold storage.
Does it like mix it? Does it just like
it uses Monero?
Yeah, it uses Monero technology to be able to.
So like, do you just like, if I'm sending Ethereum, like I'll put an Ethereum address and it automatically scrambles it without me having to do it?
Yeah, so literally Face, it looks like a Uniswap interface. Just literally the box comes up and you just pick what where you're moving it to. It then sends it through Monero. It sends it through Monero and then shoots it out. It takes about 20 minutes or so. So there's a little bit of a time there.
It scrambles it for you.
Yeah,
it takes all the complication out of it. It's literally looking like
do we know who those people are? Like, do you guys know who they are?
We do.
Yep.
Yeah, we do. For sure. But they, poof, sometimes they just appear and disappear.
They're Houdini's great-grandchildren.
They're Houdini's grandchildren now on the blockchain. No, hey, everybody.
Everyone needs to get a Market Cypher backpack because they're the best. And make sure you keep cheap Costco protein bars in there for after you trade on the 5-second time frame. You need to replenish the protein.
Yes, absolutely. And you'll get big like Jason if you do that.
Jason's trades don't count unless he's on a treadmill, though, right? Isn't that the rule?
Oh, I forgot about that rule. That's a really
good question, Keeper, and you guys. Are we allowed to trade? Will you guys track it? So just during this hour, it's calculated. Are we allowed to trade outside of these hours? And you guys.
Oh yeah, we meant to mention that. So what we want to do, and just for everybody watching, you're only when you guys are competing against them, they are trading during this time period. If you guys want to trade outside of this time period, feel free. Do us a favor. Don't blow up the account because we're kind of limited on what we can do if you do blow up the account.
Resurrects.
You know what I mean? Yeah, we don't have any revives like Call of Duty over here, but. Go ahead and feel free to do that. And thank you to ZoomX for giving us that. I do want to throw one more thing, Crusader, before we take off. First of all, everybody on the show, we love you guys. Thank you for coming on. As always, you guys are fantastic. Thank you, everybody that's watched. We have our other show. Actually, we're getting ready to go live, Danger Close Alpha. If you like a little bit of red pill political chat, just throwing it out there. We're about to go live. You actually will be redirected after the show. If you guys are interested in checking that out, we're gonna have some fun over there and talk about what's going on worldwide. So. Stick around for that if you're interested.
Can we get an ending tally like of everyone's percentage? I mean, can we?
Yeah, let's hit
like,
it.
If everyone's out of trades, are we all out? Is everyone should be
Everyone
out,
should
right?
be out. It's 4:02.
Can everybody pull up their Zoom? Can everybody pull up their ZoomX for their P&L and Crusader? Maybe put us on the side so that the screen is bigger.
I'm just gonna post my available balance. That way, I know there's no.
All right, so we'll start off at the top. Crow, let me see what you got, brother. If you can pull up,
it's
He's
on
sharing.
And
You're
then-
sharing. I think. The
Oh, did
wrong
I-
screen.
did
You're,
I-
you're sharing Trading View.
there. No,
Oh, yeah, you're on TradingView.
Okay, hold on.
and then when you do it, Crow, do us a favor. Scroll down a decent way so that the faces aren't covering up the P&L. So
It's on there.
go ahead, Crusader. All right, so scroll down a little bit for us, would you? All right.
So
Yeah.
where is it?
Well, I can't zoom in farther.
So look
than,
over to the right on the assets. You can see what he's got right there.
Yeah,
over here.
I'm not saying we have to calculate. Just what's everyone's
Okay.
total?
I'm up $9.27.
Okay,
Let's go.
so Crow's up $9.27. CVO, what you got?
We'll share here. There we go.
If everybody can pull up their ZoomX, we'll check it out. Oh my God, Crusader, you do it. You do it. You do it. You do it.
I'm at $12.97.
12.
You're up $12. I thought you were up $65.
No, it's $1,297. So $297, I guess.
You're
Oh.
up
Not
290
from today though. That was I had an issue last week where that's how I ended up down 3%, I guess. But I had 2 trades set, and so one of them hit on. So yeah, today was like only like $65 for today.
Look
So
at CVO
he's
trade.
trading after hours. He's
Ah,
fluffing
after hours action,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. We can fluff our accounts. Okay.
Let's deposit more into the account. Oh, I'm up to
Oh man, I got 10 grand in here. I've been killing you guys. Evan, what you got?
Evan, what you got?
we're up $49 in total.
All right.
I don't, yeah, did you
Let's
see it?
go.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
see that for sure.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Cool.
Killing it. Face.
Let me share. Oh, I am sharing. We're up
56.
$66 and a nickel on top, baby.
Let's get
Let's
it.
get it.
Face killing it, of course. Well, who else we got? Who we got next? Jason.
74. I'll be back.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
He made sure to zoom
right.
in nice and nice.
I know. He's got it all
Alright,
zoomed in there.
alright.
Nice, highlighted. I like
And
it.
3 cents.
That's right. Don't forget the
That's
3
right.
cents. Gareth?
Where do you even go to look for that again?
Just go back to where you just literally. You
We
can
can
go
see
back
it
to
there,
main
though.
Oh, we can see it
Right,
there.
you can see it.
Or-
Okay.
What does that say?
Okay,
1,064 or
$84.
84?
All right, Garrett.
Is Gareth that?
Garrett's pretty good at this leverage
1,054.
thing.
$54. Let's go.
1,054.
54.
Yep.
Dang, we're neck and neck, bro. We're
That's
neck
right.
and neck.
As it should be.
Magic.
You're
You're
muted
muted.
right now.
You're muted.
We're at 14 after the loss today. So next week we're going to step up the risk parameters and just go full 10% instead of 2 to 3% on the trades.
Let's go.
Man.
Magic going in deep next week. Let's get it.
I like it. I like it. Well, gentlemen, thank you again for coming on as always.
Wait, before, remember, 1v1s. Anybody's willing to call somebody out. Let's get it. We'll get it scheduled out. We'll make it happen. Also, anyone here on Team Crusader is welcome to come on Thursday if you're free to
Yeah.
trade with Team Keeper. as
Please
well,
do.
and show them
What,
how to trade for real.
What day are
They
you guys
need-
going
they
to do
need help.
1v1s? That's the thing.
Tuesdays,
so going-
Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Any day that we're not doing this show.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So let us know if you guys want to do it. We'd love to have you on. All right. Cool. Guys, join up. Get your 20% on Market Cypher. Get your 20% bonus if you put in over $100. Trade against the champions here. It's been a great day. We love you guys. Thank you for being here. Just remember, question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl.
Like it's out.
We'll see you soon.